Hey guys, Jake from TOMS Off-Road, and I just wanted to tell you guys we're just over a week away from our 2021 TOMS Off-Road Rock and Roll event. So our show kicks off Friday, July 23rd, and if you're one of those guys that are going to be doing the McGrew Trail Run, you'll meet at the O'Brien Country Store bright and early Friday morning. For those of you that have chose to do the Cascade Lake and Waterfall Cruise, you'll meet here at TOMS Off-Road, and then we'll take you on the cruise from here. Then Friday evening, we have a special event this year. We're doing a drive-in movie held here at TOMS Off-Road, and we'll be seeing Ford versus Ferrari. There'll be snacks, popcorn, ice cream provided, so hopefully we see you there. And then Saturday morning, bright and early, gates open at 9, show starts at 10. We're gonna have our show and shine, and that's out at the Expo this year because of the size of our event. And we'll have Brothers Reed and the John Doe Boys playing some music. We'll have great food trucks, Victory Dog, Walk Star. We're gonna have fun lawn games. There'll be a cornhole tournament. Lots of great things for the kids like a water slide, bounce house, and a Build a Bronco. And once again, we'll be doing our raffle this year where we'll auction off a bunch of great Bronco parts, and all the proceeds will head to our local Access Food Bank. Last year we did $10,000, so hopefully with your guys' help, we can match that again this year. And then the evening we'll take our cruise from the Expo. We're gonna head out. There's gonna be multiple options, either a wine cruise, some backcountry roads. We'll meet back at the Expo, and then we'll end it all with a great concert from the John Doe Boys and an amazing dinner by Sweet Tea Express. We do have something special this year. We've arranged campsites at the Expo. So if you're interested, please give us a call here at TOMS or shoot us an email and we'll get you guys taken care of. So we have campsites available from Thursday night through Saturday night, the night of our event. If you guys want parts, please call ahead of time so we can have them ready and we'll deliver them to the event. There's limited time. Make sure you get registered today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at TOMS or check us out on the website, tomsoffroad.com. We hope to see you guys there. Should be a great event.